I'm just now starting the vlog off. You probably already saw my Walmart little haul that I did. It is Friday and it is January the 10th. I am just now editing my video that I was supposed to put out at 9 a.m. this morning, and I told you guys on my community tab that it was going to be late. Yeah, it sure is. It's going up late today. All right, I did make a list of everything that I needed to do. Being that it is Friday, I am supposed to be doing a full body workout with no weights. I am late getting that started because usually I like to do my workouts around 5 o'clock. Like I said, it's 5:54. Okay. I only had 3 chicken wings when I got home, and it was from Gyros. And I'm hungry right now. Like I said, just got finished editing from Sunday to Thursday's video vlog, so I can have it out today. And I have a lot of things to do. I'm still not done. Like I said, I have to exercise, and I did a video with my grocery haul. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it in this clip or if I'm gonna make a separate video or put it in the shorts. Not sure yet. And what else I gotta do? I got to create a shorts because I said in this video I was going to create a shorts using Beyonce's song. I did Smack It in the Air, and what else I listened to? I'm a Grown Woman. So I made some little shorts and I need to upload that. Downsizing Diva is going to be live tonight at 8:30. So I'm trying to get all of this done before 8:30, and I was going to wash my hair, do another video on that. So I have a lot to do and I'm behind schedule. But I'm going to give myself grace if I do not check everything off. And that's like the most important thing. I can save it for tomorrow. Okay. But I am going to make sure I get my workout in and eat something. Okay. So let's get into this vlog. Hello, gorgeous. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. Ay, she is Tamika and Tamika is she. Ay, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. Fun fact, I did make a song a few months ago. It was May of last year. It was Zepbound. If you want to see that video, you have to go in around May when I was making the Zepbound videos weekly. And the song that I made up was is Zepbound Time. The theme song, I can't remember who it was from, but if I can find it, I'll tell you later in this vlog. But it was, what time it is Zepbound time. What? No, I said it wrong. What time it is Zepbound time. What time it is Zepbound time. It's Zepbound time. It's Zepbound time. What time it is Zepbound time. Time it is Zepbound time. It's Zepbound time. It's Zepbound time. Ooh, give it to me now. Give it to me now. Give it to me now. Ooh, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Share that with you. I had my own Zepbound song. Listen up. It is 6:31. I just uploaded my video. We're only going to do one round of this full body workout with no weights, and then we're going to call it quits because mama is hungry. So we're going to go ahead and get into this workout because your girl is not playing, okay? And I'm going to work out in my jeans. Yes, I don't care. First up is burpees. Second one is squats. Third one is walking lunges. Yep. Next one is sumo squats. Push-ups, planks, and then Russian twists. Let's get into it. Because mama ain't playing today. I love burpees. Let's do 12 burpees. No, 10 burpees. We're going to do burpees with a jump. Five. 6. 8. do 3 more. 13, 14, 15. Whew. Okay, 15. Now before I used to only do 5 when I was heavy. 1, 2, 20. 10 on each side. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. With me, that's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. All right, now, dang. See, now I feel like doing 2 rounds. All right, so now we're gonna do push-ups. Let's just do how many we can do. Girly style. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ow, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15. Eek. All right, so that's 15 push-ups. Let's try to do a minute of planks. All right. Whew. Girl, you should have felt that in your core. Now, if you have enough time to do another round, do another round of what I just did, and that will complete your little 10-minute-ish HIIT workout with no weights. If you feeling you want a little extra challenge, make it 3 rounds. All right, that's it for Friday's workout. All right, so I'm having a grilled cheese on wheat bread. And then I am having a salad with the butter lettuce, a little bit of cheese, and the candied cranberries and pecans. And then I'm going to have this for the first time. I gotta let it get cold first. It's nothing to play with. First off, I want to just say, all right, grocery home. Green beans, broccoli, more broccoli, green beans, ice cream cones, Premier Protein, multigrain cereal, Alani's protein shake, bone broth, cinnamon toast crunch for the girls, sweetened cranberry, garlic powder, Alani's protein shake, fruity cereal, sugar-free whipped cream, Welch's fruit snacks for the girls, Jimmy Dean's turkey, ground turkey, butter, lettuce, my favorite, and whole wheat bread, gallon of milk, and Arizona kiwi strawberry. My grocery haul.
see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up.
Whatever. Okay, so today it is Tuesday, January 14th, and I am doing an arm workout. So these are the two arm workouts I will be using. These are the two weights I'll be using for my arm workout, okay? And I'm going to use the resistance bands that are in here, okay? So I'm choosing to go light so I can get more reps versus going heavy. Since my arms, are already kind of like building like muscle, there's no need to like make them like bigger. If anything, just tone them up, which is why I'm going to be lifting light so I can do more reps versus lifting heavy. And like, I just don't want to be that muscular, you know what I'm saying? Do you like my hair? Do you see my hair? Like, let me get y'all in the light. Like, my hair, baby, can we just get with it? Yes, I did a deep conditioning over the weekend with that viral TikTok deep conditioner that I told you guys about. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into my arm workout. So those goblet squats, the elevated goblet squats, got my inner thighs and everything. My glutes is hitting. I'm telling you, it's hitting. Okay, so it is Wednesday, January 15th. I took my injection early this morning. For those who don't know, I was on 5 milligrams, but I did save my 7.5. I saved one pen. So I took it this morning. Usually I don't take my injections until Friday, but 2 weeks ago I took it 2 days early, and I decided to just go ahead. What the heck? Why not just go ahead and take it today on Wednesday? So this is what 7.5 has me looking like at 4:21 p.m. This is all I had today. You see what it says for dinner? 1,198 calories still remaining. That's it. We had bagels today at work, so yeah. This is what I'm looking like right now. I need to up my protein because right now it's really, really low. But 45 grams of protein, 90 grams of carbs, 12 fat. That's crazy. Look at that. Barely anything. So I am meal prepping a little bit of chicken so I can have for tomorrow and possibly Friday. And I'm making some quinoa and I'm making some green beans. And I'm just going to go ahead and have that. They're having chicken as well. So I got my chicken in the air fryer. So it's right there. I'm gonna go ahead and eat some of this. Even though it's cooked in oil, I don't care because as you saw, my calories are extremely low, okay? So I don't give a darn right now. I really don't. And I could use some more fat. You know, my fat is pretty low. It's only at 12. And it's not good to have your fats that low, especially for women for hormonal reasons. We need to have some fat, so don't be scared of fat. Mashed potatoes, and then there goes the green beans, and then there goes, I think I put too much water in there, the quinoa. Like, I seriously don't feel like eating. I was going to have a salad, but then I'm like, I don't know. So usually I put this in my salad and the little corn chip thing. This right here. The tortillas. I picked up the wrong kind, but the chipotle cheddar tastes good. Patrice, Denise, she's the one that got me onto these, but she had the regular ones. So did I, but then when I ordered, I ended up ordering the chipotle cheddar. Press that I'm going to meal prep later this weekend. So I'm going to put it in the freezer, take it out Saturday, and then season it up real good, put it in the refrigerator, let it sit overnight so the flavor can sit in there, and then just put it in the oven. Put some in the oven and some in the air fryer. And then that way I can make some tacos, Missions barbecue. I'm talking about Missions barbecue. Missions carb balance. And also, for those who don't know, I used to be plant-based, and prior to Zepbound, I was a vegetarian for about a month and a half. That's when I started getting bloated. So the Gardein, I still buy plant-based meat. Then no, this was not from last year. I still buy plant-based meat. I love it. This has 17 grams of 17 grams of protein, 110 calories. And this is good. I put this in my tacos and it be tasting real good, okay? In my meal prep this weekend, which I'm going to show you, I'm going to make some Jimmy Dean turkey meat. So I'm going to meal prep a bunch of stuff. So I have some good things for you this weekend, okay? For meal prep Sunday. Yes ma'am. I was actually going to save that 7.5 and just wait, but I just said, you know what? Let me just go ahead and take it. Fear does not reside in me. Whatever happens, happens. And we're just going to keep on trucking until I get another box. Yeah.